Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Harlequin stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, double crochet increase, and double crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 1. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 3 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to make 3 double crochet into that chain. Then make 1 chain. And make 3 double crochet into that same chain where you made those first 3 double crochet. So all together in that 5th chain is 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. Skip 3 chains into this next one, make a single crochet. Then we're going to skip 3 chains and we're going to be making the same thing. So skip 3 chains into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Then chain 1 and 3 double crochet again, all into that same chain. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 3 double crochet into that same chain with that first 3 set of double crochet. Skip 3 chains into the last chain of this row, make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. We're going to be skipping the first stitch. Into each of the next 3, we're going to make a double crochet decrease. Now, double crochet decreases are basically you're going to make the bottom of a double crochet into each stitch and then bring them or cluster them or decrease them together. So you're going to yarn over into this first one, this first stitch, we're skipping this one. Into this one right here, you're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. That is the bottom of a double crochet. We need one of those in each of the next 2 stitches. So same thing, you're going to make the bottom of a double crochet in the next one. And into that third one. That's 3 bottoms of double crochet stitches made. Once you have those made, you're going to yarn over and take that through all of the loops on your hook to make that double crochet decrease across those 3 stitches. Now we're going to get into our sequence, make 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to double crochet decrease across the next 6 stitches. I know that sounds crazy. It sounds like a lot. I'm going to break it down. We're going to be skipping over this chain space. So you can see there's that chain 1 right there from our last row. We're going to be using these 3 stitches. We're going to skip this single crochet in between these double crochets. Then we're going to be using these next 3 double crochets. So we're going to be making the bottoms of those double crochet stitches into these 3 stitches here, skipping this one, and then these 3 stitches here to make a 6 double crochet decrease. So insert your hook into this first stitch, make the bottom of that double crochet. There's 1. Into that next one, there's 2. Into this next one, there's 3. Now you're going to hold on to all this onto your hook. You're going to skip this middle stitch right here, this single crochet. We're going to be working into these next 3 doubles right here. So into this next one, you're going to make that next bottom of a double crochet. That's 4. The next one in this next stitch, that's 5. And this next one in that last double crochet, and that is 6. All together, 6 bottoms of these double crochets right here. Once you have all of them, you're going to yarn over and take that through all of the loops to make that 6 double crochet decrease. Now we're going to start where we made these 7 chains. So you're going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. We're going to make that 6 double crochet decrease across these double crochets, skipping this single, and then these double crochets right here. So first we're going to skip over this chain space, make the bottom of a double crochet into this next stitch, make the bottom of a double crochet in this next one, and the next one for those first 3 double crochet. Hold all of it on your hook. You're going to skip over this next stitch, this single crochet. We're going to be working in these next 3 doubles. So you're going to insert your hook into that next double crochet, make the bottom of that double crochet in it, make the bottom of a double crochet in the next one, and make the bottom of a double crochet in the next one. Now you're going to have 6 across all of these stitches. Yarn over, take that through all of those loops to complete that 6 double crochet decrease. Make 7 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip this next chain space. Now you're going to have 3 double crochet left over here and some chains. In each of these 3 double crochet, you're going to make a 3 double crochet decrease. So you're going to make the bottoms of double crochets in each of those. So 1, 2, and 3. You have all 3 of those bottoms of double crochets made. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops to make that 3 double crochet decrease. Now at the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. Into the top of those chains at the end of this row, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. You're going to skip the first stitch into the top of the next stitch, which is this previous 3 double crochet decrease. You're going to make 3 double crochet into this stitch. Now we have this chain space. We're going to be making a single crochet over this chain space into this previous chain space below. So you can see in this row right here, there's a chain space. You're going to be making a single crochet over this chain space into this one right here. Just like that. And now we're moving over. We're going to skip over this chain space here into this next stitch, which is right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet again, all into that same stitch, just like we had made in row 1. These are just into stitches instead of chains. So that's how that is all looking so far. Now same thing over here. We're going to make a single crochet over this chain space into this chain space down below. And then skipping over this next chain space into this stitch right here, you're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 3 more double crochet all into that same stitch together. That's how everything is looking so far. You're going to make a single crochet over this chain space into this chain space right here below. You're going to skip over this next chain space into this next stitch right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet. And then at the end of your row, you're going to have some chains. These chains counted as a double crochet stitch, so into the top of these chains, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. So row 4 is going to be similar to row 2, where we made these big 6 double crochet decreases. It's just going to start and end differently, but the sequence of this row stays the same. So we're going to start with that 6 double crochet decrease. You're going to skip the first stitch. You're going to be using the next 3 double crochet, skip this single, and then be using these 3 double crochet over here. So we're going to make the bottom of a double crochet starting in this one. There's 1, 2, and 3. Hold all that together. You're going to skip this single crochet or this stitch right here. We're going to be using these 3 stitches or these 3 double crochet to continue. So there's that 4th one, 5th, and 6th. Once you have all those made, yarn over, take that through all of those loops to complete that 6 double crochet decrease. Now we're going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then it's going to stay the same from here. You're going to skip this chain space. You're going to be using these 3 double crochet for the next decrease. Skip this single and use these 3 double crochet to continue that 6 double crochet decrease. So skipping this chain space, working into this next one, make the bottom of a double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Hold those together. You're going to skip this next stitch, continue with these 3 over here. So there's 4, 5, and 6. And there is that decrease right there. You're going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 double crochet decrease over these 3 double crochet, and then these 3 over here. So you're going to skip this chain space. You're going to start in this one right here and make that first bottom of a double crochet, second one, and third one. Skip this stitch. You're going to work into these 3 double crochet here. So this 4th one, 5th, and 6th. When you reach the end of your row and you only have some chains left, you're going to work a double crochet into the top of those 3 chains, which counted as a double crochet, to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 double crochet. Now this row is going to be the same as row 3. It's going to be similar, it's just going to start and end differently. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Now you're going to make that single crochet over this chain space and into this little chain space right here below. Now you're going to skip this chain space into this next stitch. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, all into that same stitch together. Make that single crochet over this chain space and into this little chain space right here. Skip this chain space into this next stitch. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, all into that same stitch together. At the end of this row, you're going to have some chains left. Into the top of those chains, make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Harlequin stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.